Hello guys, welcome to another video. Now, I want to talk something about that was actually introduced on the Atlassian Team 24 meeting in Vegas, and it's about introducing a new Jira for all of the systems. Now, what actually this means? This means that Jira software and Jira work management, they will actually become a one product. So there is not going to be separation between these products. This is going to be one product and it's going to be called, well, it's going to be called Jira. All right, so the question is, what is going to actually happen? So first of all, by the end of 2024, the Jira Work Management Group will be transformed into this group and become part of this Jira community. So that is the thing to know. And it's here it says for all community members coming from the Jira Work Management Group. It says all the links to the Jira Work Management Group will be automatically redirected, but your followed groups will not carry over. Okay, so that this is the information for the folks on this specific community, because this community has a lot of groups that you can actually join in, and then you can actually see the conversations, the questions, the articles that have been that have been posted, and all of that great stuff, which is pretty great. So now the question is, okay, what is going to be something that is going to be new to Jira? So we can go ahead, we can see what's going to be new, and what says one Jira, one invoice, and 1 billion ways to use it. So this is like the sneak peek, and this is basically like getting all of the teams together by defining the goals. And what do we mean by defining the goals? So in here, we're going to have the goals, and within these goals, we're going to have these options right here, like status, progress, target date, who is the owner, and the last update. And of course, the option to follow this issue right here. So this is going to be an interesting thing, and this actually seems like a new feature that is going to be introduced. So it says we're going to be rolling out goals in Jira. So users will be able to create goals in Jira's list and issue views to visualize how much each task maps to a higher objective. It says we are also introducing new ways to easily view and track progress towards goals. It says a goals directory where every goal can be viewed and tracked, and goal progress charts in summary view where goals can be viewed in the context of your project. So actually this means that indeed goals will be actually a new feature. What actually this means an enchanted list feature. So this is what goals is going to introduce. All right, so that is the first announcement. The second one is about the AI work breakdown. So that is going to roll on Jira Premium and Enterprise users in order to make suggestions for breaking epics into tasks and stories. So this is it. So we're going to have a project, and this is how it's going to look like. All right, so you need a brand new website to sell 10 new shirts designs, highlight the designer, and showcase the charity this t-shirt support. Now what is it going to say? It's going to say, well, to suggest the child issues, and to suggest the child issues, you're going to have these ones. And of course, you also have the defined status as well. And by default, this is going to be a to-do. unless you have something other specified within your workflow. This is going to be interesting. This is going to be amazing. And I can see now how AI will change the productivity by its incorporation into Atlassian products. This is going to be so nice. So then we have a list view for all teams, right? So what do we have here? We have the already defined list view, right? So we are gonna have like a timeline. This is going to be the backlog. This is also going to be the board. This is gonna be the list and also the calendar and all of great stuff like code, security, deployments, and GitLab. This really depends. GitHub. This really depends on what apps you want to install and for which purpose you actually want to use this. Now you also have the option for the new improved plans. So for the improved plans, and as we previously have saw when it comes to the top level planning, well, basically this is it. So top level planning is getting introduced as well. Now the thing is, when it comes to the planning, and this is available in Jira Premium and Enterprise. Alright, so it lets you to combine issues from different boards, projects, and filters to create an all-encompassing view that spans multiple teams. So this is what this feature is going to be doing. Now it says if you already have a Jira software subscription, you already have access to the new Jira experience today with no changes to pricing. But the thing is, in order to actually have this, you need to, well, change your navigation. Now, when it comes to the changing of the navigation, as you saw from my previous video, when I was introducing you guys to the new UI in Jira and how is it going to work. Now, you can actually leverage everything from this page, and you can actually use it to actually see these features right here in action. Alright, so this is also gonna be a big change, and this is also gonna be so interesting for Jira, because as you can see, its involvement is like going non-stop in order to actually solve some customer problems and also to enhance the user experience of the whole Atlassian platform. That's actually pretty great to hear. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.